Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is the first video in our series of tutorials on data science and machine learning. My name is Lorindo Benjamin. I'm a data engineer and software developer. I would like to start with a few questions before we dive into our subject. Have you ever wondered what skills are necessary to become a data scientist? Could there be one field more critical than others? Well, this is what we are going to discuss today in this tutorial. By the end of the video, you'll have answers to all your questions, and before we wrap up, please consider subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and feel free to leave comments below if you would like. Okay, so let's go. In our previous video, we learned that data science is an interdisciplinary field and uses predictions through data analysis to gain insights into the future. Now, let's delve into the specific areas you need to start at. We have to keep in mind that being a data scientist does not only involve technical knowledge. In general, soft skills also play a vital role in defining an optimal profile. The synergy between these two aspects empowers data scientists to achieve remarkable results. The world of data science is often represented with these Venn diagrams showing the intersections of the key skills required, which are statistics and data analysis, domain knowledge, and computer science. Data analytics can be thought as the application of data or analytics to a specific business or domain. You may have some basic automation, but generally you are slicing and dicing data or doing calculation looking for insights. A software developer or data engineering is about using computer science and code to solve business problems. You might be coding a database or building a system to capture a custom data. And finally, machine learning. Machine learning is the intersection between computer science and statistics and analytics. Tools and coding skills help automate statistical analysis to help us learn quickly from big data. So, in summary, we have established that data science uses statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to draw insights and predictions from data. See you next video.